Life is full of opportunities. Some whiz past you as noises, while others linger in your thoughts and whisper on your ears with their secret voices. It is hard to ignore them, and you listen in, relate to, and build in the urge to progress and want to go for it, and more importantly, be heard. And that is when you seek for guidance, for support, for direction, and for advice. You are looking out for that one noble soul who can give you that important role to prove your mettle. You are looking out for an empowerer, enabler who understands and more importantly provides you with all the support towards addressing all your needs. A mentor who can mold your talent, make you equipped to handle things competently and confidently. A planner who can position you at the right place in the right time, providing you awareness, exposure, and visibility to make your ideas and plans work. An observer who watches you closely and guides you with intent, who builds belief in you, makes you understand your strength and weakness and your positives and negatives. Well-wisher who weathers the storm, plunges forward to shield you during a crisis or a failure, backing you to the hilt when you have your back to the wall. An encourager who embraces you whatever be the situation and motivates you to perform to your fullest potential. A role model who recognizes you and brings you to the forefront to take all the laurels, success and glory. And in this process, there is an intrinsic transformation that also happens as part of this journey. You notice that you are now empowered. Excited about challenges, you no longer run away from them. Momentum drives you forward as you move confidently. Performance meets excellence as you go for results with passion and perseverance. Openness makes you transparent and balanced as you take failures and success with equal poise and grace. Winning minds and hearts becomes a habit with your clear ideas, concrete plans, and definitive actions. Enjoyment becomes a way of life, be it what you do or what you get done from others, as you pass positive vibes all around you. And the rise to the top is fulfilling, and you take it with modesty and responsibility. Empathy towards others makes you a better individual, as you can now relate better to every person you connect. And more importantly, you turn out to be the driving force towards others' empowerment. So, go search for a leader who inspires you, who provides you the required attention with the right intention, who powers you, energizes you, and empowers you. Take the plunge, grab the opportunity, push the limits, perform with excellence, reap the results, and feel empowered. And being at your finest hour, transform yourself to be a leader who in turn can empower many others deserving, who are looking at someone like you with expectation for inspiration and empowerment. When life with multiple choices talk to you in secret voices, you listen and want to be heard and not be treated like a herd. So you search for that noble soul to give you that important role, encouraging you to be bold, to observe, to advise, and to mold. That's when you spot your mentor who positions you at the epicenter, addressing all your vital need. They empower you to succeed. You win, you grow non-stop, and as a leader you rise to the top. Empowered at your finest hour, you are ready to go empower.